Hey everybody. Uh, for some of you this may be a redundant or easy tip. For some of you it may not be. I actually had to look this up and look this up. There may come a situation, a time where you wanted to use specific network information that you wouldn't always want to use, but you would like it available in an easy to grab scenario. And so, for instance, if you wanted to set yourself with a static IP address for a certain profile, or if you wanted to use a proxy, or if you wanted to use different DNS servers, you could do that by creating a different profile. And I'm going to show you how to do that here real quick. So we're going to start with system preferences. So click Apple, and then system preferences, and then network. And up here in the top here, you see location. So we're going to edit our locations. The automatic one is the one that's by default, and that's going to be, most of the time, that's going to be DHCP standardized, and then you have all the other your VPN connections and FireWire and all that. So we're going to edit locations. We're going to click plus. We'll call this static IP. All right. So in this instance, I use a static IP address to pull to forward my router ports if I want to present my MAMP server out to the outside world. I'll need to port forward to a specific IP address. So in this instance, I'll show you how we do that. All right. So we change to our location. Make sure that we select our static locations, and we're going to go to advanced. Okay. Now we're going to go to configure manually, and my static IP address is 10.10.25. My subnet mask. Oops. And my router address is 10.10.10. All right, and we're going to go with, oops, actually I just realized I'm on the Ethernet. We don't want that. We want the Wi-Fi. There we go. So this is the adapter I'm working on wireless right now. All right, so go back to advanced. All of this is going to be the same now. TCP/IP 10.10.10.25, 255.255.255.0, and then my router address .10 DNS is the router itself. And just for kicks, we'll throw in Google's, just in case my ISP's DNS are not working. All right, and then you've got your options here if you want to set a Win server, if you want to establish a proxy. This is your MAC address for your card, the wireless card if you need it. All right, so this is really all we're going to cover now. So we set our manual IP address, manual subnet mask, and manual default gateway, and our DNS servers. All right, so we click OK, click Apply, and we go back to the Wi-Fi, and there's our static IP address. And we can we'll bring in web browser just to make sure we're working. And there we go. So that's all you need to do. Hopefully this was helpful. Go ahead and leave a comment below if you like, or a like, and subscribe if you feel like this is helpful and any of my other videos were helpful. And thanks for watching.